Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In previous video, we have learned about SQL select into statement, and in that video we have learned that how to create copy of your existing table into new table. In this video, we will learn about SQL insert into select statement. So first understand in which scenario this statement is being used. So we use this SQL insert into select statement when we want to copy data from one to another table. In that case, we don't have this employees copy table. We will copy data from one table and create another copy of that table. But in this statement, we can copy data from one table and insert into another existing table. Okay, and you can also copy some specified columns. Let's say I want to insert all employees to suppliers. Insert all employees, and I want to insert employee names. Okay, so you can specify as many columns as you want. Okay, so that columns must should be occur in your new column, new table. In case suppliers must have these columns where I am inserting these values. Okay, so let's start. You can also, if your both table have same syntax, then you can also write insert into suppliers, and then you can write select store from employees. Okay, if these both table have same column structure, then you can also grab one data one table to another table. But in our case, we don't have this. We will copy one specified one or two columns. So I will insert into suppliers, and then I will specify column name, supplier name. I want to insert values into this supplier name, and I will select employee name from employees. Okay, so insert into this table, within that table insert into this specified column, and select this column from employees table. Okay, so this will insert all employee names into this supplier table. Okay, so click on this, execute. But this statement will not be completed because we have set some constants on that table. So I will insert data into organizations table, because other columns of suppliers table cannot be null, and we have set constants in previous videos. Okay, so organization name. So execute this one. Look at this, 7 rows affected. Now let's make sure select all from employees, and then select all from organizations. Okay, execute these both and expand this one over here, and look at this. We have this organization table which contain first 3 organization, 4 organization by default, and then it contains all of my employees name, Rauf Yassin to Ahmed. And look at this, we have Rauf Yassin to Ahmed. You can also specify where condition over here. Rather, if you want to insert on the specific basis, select all employees whose gender equals to male. Okay, and you can also specify and salary greater than 5,000, like this. You can specify these conditions in this statement, but believe me, this statement is very useful. A lot of time we need to copy data from one table to another table due to some issues. When you are developing software for a big organization, web applications for our organization, then you will definitely face these issues, these scenarios where you need to copy data from one table to another table. So this is how you can copy data. You can copy complete data, you can copy specific columns from one table, and you can copy also data from one table to another table of a different database. So these are very powerful statements. These two we have learned in this video, one in this video and one in the previous video. This is SQL select into and insert into. These are very powerful statements. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and on your social media accounts. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.